If you're a soccer mom, soccer dad, or you just like the outdoors or camping in the winter season or something like that, I gotta show you this heated camping chair. By the way, sorry about the noise. If you can see, if you can actually hear my neighbors cutting the trees, they're having like a parade of cutting trees today. So they're with the saws and everything. But yeah, this one comes in this bag, so it's actually easy to carry on. You just like put it with this one right here and hang it from your shoulder and you're all good to go. And then once you're done, you just take out this Velcro over here and kind of like there's one more, no, this one right here. So you kind of like push it and you're all set. That's everything you have to do. Just make sure that everything is secure in this place and we are all set. This one supports 300 pounds. I have to say that that's actually quite a nice amount of weight, just judging by the size of the chair, because it's not kind of like super big or bulky or one of those like oversized. It's just like a normal chair with really nice pad right here, has a pillow right here on the headrest, and really nice pad as here as well with the heating pad. Actually, let's take it on a closer look now. So the first thing you gotta do is find this left pocket over here that has the on and off button over here as well. Of course, you're gonna put a power bank. The power bank is not included. It's actually not included, so you gotta find your own power bank. I have this one right here. I'm gonna turn it on. It's on already. So you have this pocket, you just like cover it up, and once you're done, you have this on and off button over here. Besides that, you have some other good things, like for example this pad over here on the headrest and the terrain adaptive right here legs that you're gonna find if it is a little bit uneven, you're not gonna have issues. Storage on the back if you want to put some food, if you want to put some water bottles, if you want to put some magazines or books. Storage right here on the front, and some water bottle holder right here, as well as one for your devices like your phone, for example. And by the way, I'm 5'10", I weigh 190 pounds, and this one supports the 300 pounds that I was telling you before. It is really comfy just as a chair, as a regular chair is really comfy, but now I'm gonna actually turn it on. It's on right now. You have 3 levels. They have the blue, the red, and the green. So I'm gonna put it in red actually, and just wait for a little bit and see how that goes. Yeah, this actually, it is super comfy already, so I'm not even complaining about how comfy this one is already. Ooh, okay, it's heating up already. That was pretty fast. I was not expecting this one to. Ooh, that's nice. It feels nice. It's warming on my tushy already. So this is gonna be the perfect. Yeah, this feels fantastic. It is pretty cold today right here, so this one already feels really nice right here. Yeah, it's everything is here like on the lower area, like in the pillow, and it feels really good. If you're a soccer dad, soccer mom, you like the outdoors or going to camping, hiking, fishing, whatever during the cold season, yeah, this could be the one. I'm gonna sit a little bit right here, chill, probably bring a book, because this one is a must-have. I like it. I do recommend it. Heats up really, really fast. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.